Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been plagued with an issue that a lot of people have as of late. Well, since I've got this camera, it's your vlog camera. I think a lot of vloggers have this camera, the G7X Mark II, and we're plagued with this issue where the screen becomes detached, screws come loose, uh, just a bunch of stuff that happens with this. But fortunately, I was to search Amazon and search. I mean, I really did search, and I found this whole kit of screws and nuts and bolts, and it actually comes with a small screwdriver that can go in your keychain. So whenever you're out, you just screw it in. But since I found this, actually found a nut inside of it that works. I think it's the 2.0 times 1.4 times 2.8 that's on there. Uh, Ever since I've put this in here, and I've had this for months, but I just recently decided to make a video on it because I've heard complaints, and Canon does not provide you with this screw. If you can ask them 1,000 times, you can send it in to get fixed. I don't know if there's a warranty, but you may have to pay them. I found this on Amazon for $8. Just want to share my knowledge with you guys. Hopefully you guys can hopefully it helps you guys along the way. I actually have mine in. I just took it out just to show you guys where it was at. I Ever since I put it in, I didn't have to tighten it back up. It doesn't come out like the black screws provided by Canon, so that's a plus. I don't think that. Yeah. So whenever you guys, I'll put the link in the description below for from where you can order this, and on Amazon. I think it's a gem. You know, a lot of people didn't find it. There's a lot of arguments. You know, a lot of people, because the reason I realized it, because one day I was doing this and literally my screen didn't like fall off like this, but it like fell back, and I was like, "What's going on?" Then I looked on all forums and everywhere, people were like complaining that they have to send their camera back. You know, Canon sucks, yada yada yada. But you know, hopefully this tip helps you guys out. So I'm just so yeah. But thanks for watching. Thanks for checking in. I just want to share that quick tip. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. More tips along the way. More if I find anything that you guys need help with or I need help with that I need to share, I'll let you guys know. Have a good day.